Hi, what's up everybody? This is Paz. I'm here with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. We're going to be doing a walk around on our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country Trim. This is a beautiful truck. It's barely been driven. It's got about 10,000 miles on it. Bought it here, brought it right back and traded it for something else. Alright, so we'll be doing a walk around of the exterior first. Make note of any blemishes in the paint, any dings, scratches. Check out inside the wheel wells here. This truck's a little bit dusty. There's one little scratch there. Inside the back driver's side wheel well. It's got the MultiFlex tailgate. Great assist steps here, really helpful on the back and on the sides. Inside the passenger side rear wheel well. Looking good. Go ahead and pop the hood here, take a look inside the engine bay. There we go. Take a quick look at the interior. Lots of nice luxury features on the inside of this truck. Inside of the door panel, we've got memory seating, we've got power heated mirrors, we got perforated leather, heated, cooled, 10-way power seats, we got adaptive cruise, we got a heads-up display, parking assist, lane assist, all kinds of great features in here. Wireless phone charging, integrated trailer brake, there's the back seat as well, inside door panel, seats, perforated leather. Little storage behind the seats there. There's the same on that side as well. All right. This is a gas vehicle, 6.2 liter gas engine. Right, those assist steps automatically come out. Right, just quick view from that side. Inside the door panel. Passenger side. Power seats on this side as well. All right, there she is. That's our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country Trim. Once again, this is Paz for Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Thanks so much for checking it out.